Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. It's me, Ma'am Bushra. In our previous lecture, we have learned about life in space. So today we are going to do the exercise work related to that comprehension passage. So just open your books and open the page number 1. We have read the passage yesterday. So now let's come to the exercise work. Circle the correct answer. Which of the following question is not answered in this text? Life in space. There are certain questions and we have to select that question which is not answered in the text above. The first is, how do astronauts eat in space? Option B is, how do astronauts sleep in space? Option C is, how do astronauts relax in space? And option D is, how do astronauts do their work? If we come to the first option, it's not like it is answered in the text how they eat. We have read it yesterday. How they sleep, we have also discussed about that in the above passage. How do they relax? It is also answered in the above passage. So, how do astronauts do their work? This is not answered in the passage. So, we will circle option D. This is the correct option. Now, the second one is, the author likely feels that astronauts are, option A is interesting, option B is unkind, option C is scary, and option D is not real. What the author feels? That the astronauts are unkind? No. Are they scary? No, they are just like us. Are they not real? They are real. So, the author feels like astronauts are interesting. Now, turn over to page number 2. The third question is, which of the following supplies do astronauts not need in space? Which thing is not needed in the space? A place to sleep, food, umbrellas, or toothpaste? I think a place to sleep is needed over there. You would have the sleeping bag or the bunk beds. Food is also needed there because they are humans and they need food to live. Toothpaste is also needed for oral hygiene. So, umbrellas are not needed over there. We will circle the option number C. Now the fourth question is, which statement about living in space is most accurate? Accurate? Correct. Living in space would be like living on Earth? No. It is not the same thing. Living in space would be impossible. It is possible. Astronauts live there. Living in space would be different because there is no gravity. Yes. Or living in space would not be much fun. No, it is fun over there. So this statement is correct. Living in space would be different because there is no gravity. This is the most accurate statement. So we will circle option number C here. Now write complete answers. If you have read the passage thoroughly and carefully, only then you will be able to solve the exercise work. How is life in space different from life on Earth? What makes it different, the life on space, than the life on Earth? So, the answer is, the life in space is different from life on Earth because there is no gravity in space. This is the difference between the life in space and the life on Earth, that there is no gravity in space. Now come to the question, the next question. Why do you think chairs and tables are attached to the floors and walls in space stations? Why they attach or they strap the chairs and tables to the floors and walls? Why? What brings this need? So the answer is, the tables and chairs are attached to the floors and walls so that they don't float away. If they are not attached to the floors and the walls, they will be floating in the space. So in order to make them not float, they are attached or they are strapped to the walls and floors. Now come to this match the words in column A with their meaning in context. We have to match the meanings, the words with the meanings. The first word is complicated. Now just look towards in the column B that which meaning will be appropriate for the word complicated. The first one is trust, depend on, a place or support for the feet, in a way that is difficult to understand, exciting, or underestimate the value of that person or thing. So this, the third meaning, in a way that is difficult to understand, this matches with the word complicated. So I will write A over here. This is the answer, or this is the meaning of the word complicated. Now the second word is interesting. Interesting means exciting. So here this word, this meaning is matching with the word interesting. Now C, granted. Granted, when we take something as it's free, or we think that it's not that worthy, so to underestimate the value of that person or thing, this is to take it for granted. So the C, word C, meaning matches with it. The fourth D word is rely. Rely, as I have told you before in that passage, that it means to be dependent on something. So rely means trust or depend on. D over here. And E is footholds. Footholds, where we just support our feet, a place or support for the feet. E. So the question D is use the words in column A in meaningful sentences. This is your homework. You have to do it yourself. Just take these words which are given in column A. Complicated, make a meaningful sentence of complicated. Interesting, granted, rely, and foothold. These are 5 words, and you have to make meaningful sentences of these words in this question 10. Thank you for watching the video. Take care of yourself.